Welcome to Cantera Doors, where precision meets performance. The Senfeng laser welder, designed to create a strong joint between several metal components with fiber laser. Fiber laser produces a beam of high intensity that is concentrated into one spot. This concentrated heat source enables fine, deep welding with high welding speed. Our skilled team ensures every process runs seamlessly from start to finish. At Cantera Doors, innovation and efficiency drive every operation. Discover more at canteradoors.com.